beautiful audience. I want to thank my friends, my family, my manager, my manager's manager, my manager's manager's manager, my agent, my booking agent.
Get up, baby.
And the five bastards sons of Doonica can make down the world, man. Thank you. God bless you. Yeah, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Justin Bieber! Yay! We have one last question before we turn it for the night. Because we've not got a 5-song encore or anything like that. So this is our last song.
Stop, I couldn't find this yet.
Where was he?
I've no idea, man. Did I miss out?
Yeah, you didn't
Alright,
say. I think we got one last question. I think it's from Steve Jenner down the front row. I do believe. Would we like a pub named after us in town? Well, to be honest, no. And I'll tell you why. Right? Because I don't think a pub called the Bar Steward would go down too well. But I think that you should all, tomorrow, get on the internet and lobby the Acorn Brewery in Barnsley for next Christmas to put out a pint of Bar Steward Ale. Comes in 3 types. Dark.
Handsome. And...
Well, which one? What's that?
Can I swear?
No. I think good, bad, and ugly would work better. And I'll happily take the ugly, just so that Alan can be the good. Ladies and gentlemen...
that was it.
The
tall... No, tall, dark, and handsome.
Hang on. So am I tall?
No, you're a dickhead.
Thank you. It's a fabulous show. This song is dedicated to the one person in town that should have a pub named after them. Because I'll tell you what, right? We've got the Tom Treadwell. Who's ever frequented that pub? And do you know, I don't know if you know the history of the pub, but do you know why it's called the Tom Treadwell? Come from me. Nobody. The Tom Treadwell was named after a fellow called Charles Rogers. Now, Charles Rogers was a policeman, but he was a bit of a drunk. And one day, for a bet, he decided that he would ride his horse backwards, with him backwards on the horse, not the horse going backwards. That'd be a bit cruel. He decided he'd ride backwards on his horse to Pogmore from town, and they named the pub after his nickname, which is Tom Treadwell. Now, I think based on that, they should have a pub in about 100 years' time called the Kipper Jackson. Yeah? Now, there's a load of cheers. I should point out we've got a few people that have come all the way from like Durham and stuff. They don't know how to do Kipper Jackson. Kipper Jackson, how could you describe it? I'll let you describe it. What's he like?
A drunk.
He's a drunk, yeah, he's a nice drunk. He's a drunk with a karaoke machine that goes out round Barnsley, annoying people and gets barred from every pub in town. And this is... So yeah, this is our song for Kipper. What was great was when we put the album out with this song on, we tried to get a copy to him by the Granite Barnacle. No, they were actually quite nice, because what they did, they said, Kipper, come down and pick a copy up, they wrote it in Chronicle. And what he did was he turned up and he picked it up and he went, can you sell copies of these on market? Love it. So this is for Kipper Jackson, because I know he didn't get a ticket tonight. And what we'll do, as soon as we've done this, we'll get off. Kenny Jackson, 61, he once wore free, but now he's gone, and Facebook says free the Barnsley one. That one is Kipper Jackson. He walks Barnsley streets so broad and bare, a karaoke machine, an old push chair. Council cry out in despair. They've locked up Kipper Jackson. Kipper Jackson's talking town, and PC Porter put him down, and when he's locked him up, right into his ground. Shout out free Kipper Jackson. Kipper Jackson karaoke gig. It's take the public fruits and sings. Think of all the joy he brings. Shout out to Kipper Jackson. point out while we're going. For those of you that don't know what happened next, Kipper ended up doing 2 years in prison for hitting a copper with a cream bun. Eric Gilsley, our local MP, spent the best part of 14 grand of your money and did 6 months. Bear that in mind. DC4 till late one night. He had to nick some lads who got into a fight in Kenneth Jackson. He only had 10 fights. Going through the years on front watch. On with the bun and the glint in his eye. Hey up on him, the policeman cried, but Kenneth Jackson didn't walk up by. Set the cream bun flying. Kipper Jackson's talking time. PC4 took him down when he slapped a bun right into his jam. Jamboree Kipper Jackson. Kipper Jackson karaoke king. Entertains the bubbling crews and sings and think of all the joy he brings. Shout out for Kipper Jackson. The cream bun stuck to the copper's head. That's it, your name, PC Porter said. I was swapping you from prison food, he said. You're going down Kipper Jackson. But he launched another at the Panda car. Safe to say, he didn't get far and the people hailed him a superstar. Remember Kipper Jackson, everybody! Kipper Jackson's talking down. PC Porter took him down when he slapped a bun right into his down. Shout out for Kipper Jackson. Kipper Jackson karaoke king. You can stick the probably moves and sings and think of all the joy he brings. Shout out for Kipper Jackson. Kenneth Jackson appeared before the Sheffield Court Judge Robert Moran on a red t-shirt he proudly wore. The plea free Kipper Jackson. The judge said you're here to be tried. Custodial sentence is justified and you're off to the cells for 2 years inside. Fairly well, Mr. Kipper Jackson. Kipper Jackson's talking down. PC Porter took him down when he slapped a bun right into his mouth. Shout out for Kipper Jackson. Kipper Jackson karaoke king. He extends the public groups and sings and think of all the joy he brings. Shout out for Kipper Jackson. Kipper Jackson's in a 4-foot cell. The judge sent the poor bugger straight to hell. The chuck in a bun, he'll do a 2-year spell. God bless poor Kipper Jackson. The moral to this sad, sad tale will come to light when he gets his bell. Don't celebrate with cake, but a pint of ale. 3 cheers for Kipper Jackson. Kipper Jackson's talking town. NBC4 took him down when he slaps a bun right into his mouth. Shout out for Kipper Jackson. Kipper Jackson karaoke. Entertains the public,